Would you believe that the 60 trillion cells in your body could be revitalized in just 3 hours? It sounds like science fiction, right? But that's exactly what EvoStem is all about. EvoStem is a groundbreaking cell-based treatment from Gangnam Medical Center and Cell4U Global. It's designed to harness the power of your own stem cells to bring new life to your body from the inside out. Here's how it works. EvoStem uses your own autologous stem cells, meaning they're taken from you and used for you. These special cells have the unique ability to migrate to damaged or aging tissue and kickstart the regeneration process. That means better immune function, faster recovery from injuries, and even the potential to tackle tough diseases and signs of aging. Imagine, just 3 hours, and your cells start waking up, working harder, stronger, and younger. People using EvoStem have reported more energy, quicker healing, and a renewed sense of vitality. It's like giving your body the fresh start it deserves, naturally. So why wait? 60 trillion cells, ready for a new beginning. Start your journey to a healthier, more vibrant life today with EvoStem from Gangnam Medical Center and Cell4U Global.